Connecting sanitary devices with cold and hot water can be done in different ways. In this dialog you find all the options needed to make connections. Let's say that we want to loop through these elements here, the washstand and this toilets here and the first urinal, and we want to loop it. So first thing is we select these elements and then press the button. And the second step will be the end, left and right, should not be looped. So we uncheck here, select the element here and there and say connect, not looped. Okay, and now we see what we got. If we switch the view to wireframe, then we see that within the wall we have this connection made with fittings belonging to the pipe system. And if we take a look on the 3D view, we see that everything is as we wanted to have it. And if we put in the architecture again, then we see that all of the pipes are within the wall and just connecting at the right position. Making architecture transparent is quite simple, and then we see the pipes within the walls. So this is very easy to use.